Hey everybody, today we're going to show you how to enable your new email notifications. So we're going to start off by going to the upper right hand corner of the screen to the gear icon. We're then going to click on See All Settings. Now once you're in this settings page set, you're going to see that we are on the General tab, just in case you ever need to come back to this. And we're going to scroll about halfway down into your screen. Now you're probably going to see this stars section. The section that we want is just above this for the desktop notifications. Now to enable these, what you can do is you can click on the New Mail Notifications on Radio button. Once you do that, you'll see this box drop down from the below area, Mail Notification Sounds. So yes, you can actually get a sound if you would like to. Me, I'm a little partial to shrink ray, but I'm kind of old school, so just my preference. If you're going to use the sound piece, just don't forget to turn those speakers on. But that's really all you need to do other than going down to the very bottom of your screen and clicking on that Save Changes button. And just like that, you've enabled your new mail notifications. Till we meet again, have a great rest of the day.